Thank you, Doctor. I'm Maureen Mumizachwanuka, the mother to Aviel Ayamba, who we brought to India when he had a heart defect. I must say that the journey was smooth than we thought. Aviel got operated, and for now, he sleeps soundly, and we are grateful to God for this. I must say that we had a very good and smooth journey at Fortis Hospital. The doctors are warm, the administrator was very good, and it is a commendable work done. I also want to thank Ale, who happens to be an interpreter. That young boy is superb for his age. We learned a lot from this place, including there is no corruption, no bribery at all. You know, for a young person, for a person to be given a tip and they turn it down is humbling. I must say we shall take the good news to Uganda, and Aviel will surely thrive. Thank you so much.
I'm an auntie to Aviel. We came to know Dr. Singh through Mr. Dushanti. Mr. Dushanti was so helpful right from getting visas. We came when we were worried, we didn't know what was going to happen, but we thank God. Dr. Singh handled us very well. He's a loving parent, I would say. Give alone being a doctor, but he's a parent. He has seen us through. Mr. Dushanti has been there for us, even right from where we stay. Everything is well. We commend everyone to come to Fortis because it's a hospital where you come and go out when you are okay. We thank God for you people. May God give you long lives. Thank you.